Good morning, everybody, from the Adirondacks. Two brothers outdoors. We're not on the homestead this morning. We're on the way to work, and this is the start of the great nor'easter of 2023. We're supposed to get dumped on. We're supposed to get 20 inches of snow or more. We'll see what happens. We'll keep coming on during the storm to let you know how we make out. Alright guys, so it's snowing pretty good this morning and then it turned to rain. Now we're heading up the mountain towards home. Temperature's dropping and starting to turn back to snow again. They're still calling for
20 to 40 inches.
18 to 20 inches of snow. We'll see. It's still pretty warm out. We're still 34 degrees. Doesn't mean it can't snow at 34, but if the temperature is warm aloft, then it won't be all snow. Tim and I have got one tree we need to take down before the sap starts running really hard. A pine tree. Can't deal with sappy pines. Oh my God, it's terrible in the spring. So maybe we'll run up tonight and knock that one tree down and then hunker down and get ready for this storm. Alright guys, we're going to head up and knock down a tree, hopefully, as soon as Tim catches up with us, and then we're going to be on our way. Try to get ahead of this big storm. Ready? Well, guys, let's do it. Things didn't go as planned. Snow is, we broke the trails last week. And we've had a couple inches here, a couple inches there, and unfortunately it's gotten substantially deeper. It's almost knee deep here. Four-wheelers are not great snow machines.
Especially when they pan out.
But we do have a big pine right there that we were going to take down last summer and decided not to. Guess what? It's going to come down today. It's got a lot of good logs in it. Okay, guys. I don't want to hear nothing about the huffing and puffing. We're walking in knee-deep snow all the way down from them four-wheelers. Uphill all the way. This is the tree we're going to take down, this big giant right here. Whew. All we got to do is figure out which way it's going to go. There is nothing better to watch one of these majestic giants fall on video, and it's a great video for shorts. But unfortunately, when you're making a tree fall a certain direction, sometimes it takes all hands on deck, and sometimes it gets very dangerous, so you have to pay attention to what's going on. Unfortunately, we did not get this tree falling on video, but that is the reason why. But we did fell it right where we wanted it. Got a little rot in the middle. A lot of red rot on it, Bo. Yeah, it's got to be a damaged spot in the tree somewhere. We still got a lot of good tree up there. We got to find the source of this, so get above it. That's a big tree, huh?
Yeah, it is. Fell right where you wanted it to.
Yes. Aha. See this?
No. What is it?
Absolutely nothing. Oh. The tree hit this other stump. I thought.
Well, if you look, you can see where the bark's cracked all the way up there.
Yeah, it looks like a lightning strike.
I wonder if that did it.
Hard to say.
All right.
Well, I'm gonna bucket up at this end right here where it gets straight.
All right. Still rotten?
Alright, so the source of this rot has to be right here somewhere. It's rotting there.
Oh yeah.
Solid here.
Big hole.
And we got another, well, we got a good
20 feet.
28 feet of log or so. That's good. So we'll get what we need out of this for our dawn log. The rest of this, I guess, we'll just get what we can out of it.
Make siding out of it.
Yeah, we can get siding out of it. But the middle of it's gone. Yeah. Unbelievable.
Well, we can do siding out of it, like you said.
Can't believe a log this size is this bad.
Believe it.
All right, it's down. I don't know if it's the source of the hole or not, but something keeps, yep, I see it. Something keeps poking his head up out of there.
Was it a squirrel?
I don't know. Something's living in the tree, though.
Probably chipmunk.
All right, so we're going to be real quiet for a minute. Something keeps poking his head up out of this hole. We're going to find out what it is. I don't know. Kept trying to poke its head out of the hole and kept seeing us and running back in. Whatever it is, there's something living in this tree.
A little chipmunk.
That was kind of a grayish looking, maybe a squirrel. It could be a flying squirrel too. They're not too big.
Oh, could you imagine the ride he had going down?
Yeah, he had a heck of a ride. Well, we didn't know it was in there. I could hear him. Hear him? He just made a like a chirping noise.
I see the source of it right here.
All right, so we're probably a good 35 feet up on the tree right here. We still got, well, it's 21 inches. Really? Pretty good sized log. Huh. That log was a lot bigger than 21. Well, since this is so rotten, maybe we'll just take the tractors in the spring and roll out of the trail and just let it be a den tree.
Yeah.
Animals will live in it, that's for sure. Something's already living in it. Ain't real happy about what we did to it. All right, guys, we're going to head down to the four-wheelers. We'll be back for this in the spring. I don't think we'll be coming back up here for a few weeks.
Hey, Don, look what we cut down for you. You know what it is.
Now we start the long trek out to the four-wheelers. Oh, we got a lot of good log in there left yet. Whole top of the tree is usable. Still got a good log right up this far in the tree. Is it a little deep there, Tim?
A little bit.
I don't know how in the heck we got this far up, to tell you the truth. This snow is up there. It's way past our knees. I'm coming. Okay, guys, mission accomplished. We got a pine tree down before the sap starts pulling up in it, so it won't be so sticky and gooey when we start sawing it. And we got a lot of good log out of it. The base log is hollow, got rot in it. Some kind of critter living in it. We couldn't catch it on camera, but we kept popping its head up, you know, nose out of the hole there. So we may just take a tractor and roll that off to the side and leave it for the critters to live in.
What? Here's our blizzard of 2023.
This is Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
We're on our way to work.
The governor has issued a
Stay off the roads.
State of emergency. Do not travel unless you absolutely have to. But with Rick being a diesel technician and me being a parts specialist, we have jobs that cannot be left alone. We are essential workers.
We were during the pandemic.
That's right. We worked through the COVID, through the pandemic.
Earthquakes, floods,
tornadoes, snow, blizzard storms, heat waves, you name it, we work it.
All right, guys, the snow's not that deep. It's only about 4 inches deep here, but they say it's going to get worse. We'll see.
All right, stay tuned for our ride home.
All right, guys, it is 4:43 in the afternoon. We are coming home from work.
What is the temperature?
Temperature's 33 degrees. We're just now starting up the mountain. The nor'easter / blizzard of 2023, I believe that we made out all right. I don't think we got more than 4 or 5 inches of snow, if that. And some areas got hit pretty hard, but we were not one of them. So we're pretty thankful for that. You can pretty much say where we live, it fizzled out.
I don't know. Looks like it's getting a little heavier as we go up the hill.
Yeah, it's not that bad, though. All right, guys. We appreciate you watching our movies, supporting us, subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, hit that notifications bell, and all the other good stuff. This is the nor'easter blizzard of 2023. Two brothers outdoors. We survived. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And we'll catch you on the next one.